Welcome to our channel. If you want to claim free trial upgrades to premium tiers during special account promotions, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log into your account with the service you're currently using at a basic or free tier level. Make sure your account is in good standing with verified email and payment information if required. Step 2. Check for promotional banners or pop-up notifications when you log in. Services frequently offer free trial upgrades to premium features for existing users during special promotion periods. Step 3. Visit the pricing or subscription page of the service to see if there are any temporary upgrade promotions available for your account tier. Step 4. Read the promotion details carefully, including the length of the trial upgrade, which additional features you'll gain access to, and what happens when the trial ends. Step 5. Click Start Free Trial or Upgrade Now to begin the trial upgrade process. You may need to provide payment information even though you won't be charged during the trial period. Step 6. Confirm your choice and authorize the upgrade. The enhanced features should become available in your account immediately after activation. Step 7. Explore the premium features during your trial period. Take advantage of this opportunity to determine whether the upgraded tier is worth paying for long-term. Step 8. Set a reminder for a few days before the trial ends so you can decide whether to continue with the premium tier or downgrade back to your previous plan. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.